Alright boys, this episode we're going to fix that light. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm just going to show you which light it actually is. So I'll turn the lights on and we'll have a look. It's the outside one. So it's your low beam, it's your high beam, and your Parker. Alright, so we need to get under the bonnet, so we'll pop the hood and squeak it off. And we got another cicada. Right, so it is the twin charged engine, so the 1.4 GT Mark 5. You get this cap off here, so just lefty loosey it, pop straight off, make sure you don't drop it. So just a twist to the left, and she comes out. Pretty easy, yeah? So here's the points that connect in there. This is probably like the easiest swap ever. So what I'm going to do is probably upgrade these. So I'll just check the wattage. I'll even take it, head down to the local part shop, so probably Autobarn, and get a replacement. Alright, so I've got the globe out. Just going to take a photo of it, just all the details on the back. Focus. 12 volt, 55 watt, H7U, Germany. Let's see if we can get some LEDs. Alrighty guys, it's the next day. Still haven't got the globe. Gonna go in the Skyline, which I haven't driven for probably a week. So I might go give it a wash first. Ooh, it's been a minute. Hope everyone had a good Christmas. Alright, let's go give it a tub. Hey guys, just washed my car. Just did a touchless, but by myself. So you come up alright because of the polish and the polymer protectant that I put on the paint. Not sure how the roof come up because I haven't done that yet, but I'm just driving around for a little bit just to get the water off because I didn't chamois it, and then I'll head to the shops and get all the things that I need, including the globes for the Golf. Alrighty, just got some halogen bulbs for the Golf. Need to get home quick. We've got some margarine and cheese in there, so let's go. Damn it, I forgot to get some clips. Clips are for the trim at the bottom of the door. Ah well, another day. Also, if this video comes out before New Year's, hope you have a safe and happy New Year. Don't be stupid out on the roads, because there are other people that are stupid out there. Alrighty, we're finally back in the Golf. And the good thing about the Golfs are, they actually tell you what globe is out. So, left one, and it comes up. Even with the rear ones, it comes up. So it's pretty damn easy to change. So it's it's really up to the globes that you put in. So I'm just putting a halogen back in. Now you can do LED or even HID kits. I know my R32 Golf had HIDs from the factory, so I don't know if I did video when I had to change them, but they were a bit of a pain with the ballast on the back of the globe, and yeah, these are a lot easier. So I'm just upgrading to a 130 plus voltage. That is Autobahn's brand. Yeah, so a lot more light. Going to change both globes. The missus said that the globes were different anyway, because a little while ago a headlight did go out and her mechanic, which isn't me, changed just one of them. So I'm going to have both the same. So let's do it. Also guys, I'm thinking of upgrading the diverter valve in this to a GFB DV Plus, I think it's called. So it just pretty much changes the internals of the diverter valve, of the OEM diverter valve. Do you want to see that? It's not an expensive piece, and hopefully it changes the car quite a bit. Apparently it increases the intake noise, which is what I would like, not so much the exhaust noise. Yeah, let me know in the comments below if you want to see diverter valve install. So yeah, diverter valve's just down in this area, pretty easy changeover, and airbox. I don't really want to change much on this car, mainly because it's the missus and she'd like to keep it pretty stock. Or she would like to keep it stock, just you know, if something does go wrong, I normally upgrade it instead of OEM replacements. And I'm starting to get a bit of a whine. No, it's not the supercharger, it's from the belt. The mechanic said might have been the idlers. Then he went to get them off and he saw that the belt was frayed a bit, so he just replaced the belt, but it was good for a few days. Now it's getting squeaky again, so I think it was the idlers that made the belt like that. So probably when he gets back, I might need to get them changed. But yeah, into the lights, so like what I showed you at the start, easy to get them out, doing with just one hand, and pretty much just turn to the left. There we go, pretty damn easy. I'm going to have to do this with two hands, so I'll place it down. So this just pulls out. Now they can only go in one way because of this little notch here, so you can't stuff it up. Main thing with globes, don't touch them with your fingers, because the oil from your fingers will decrease their lifespan. So it'll probably burn onto the glass, and I don't know how to get this open. Alrighty, so I've got them out of their packaging. Take it out, don't touch it. Like I said, only goes in one way. Pretty easy. And on the back, you can see it says top, so that's the top side. This is the harder bit, but yeah, that's in. So we'll get that old one and stick that in here. And that definitely won't be going in the other side because it's a different colour. It's got the blue part to it. Done. Easy. Alright, so I'm just going to do the other side. pretty easy to get to, whereas on the R32s you've got this cap, but then you've got like the ballast on the back of the actual globe. So yeah, and done. Just make sure those caps are on nice and tight. That's what makes them waterproof. Here are the old globes, so they are different brand. This one here on the left has a bit of blue in the glass, so that's the good one. Actually, that's not hot. So what I might do is actually take this out, throw that one out, put that back on, because that's still a good globe, just in case these ones go out. I've got a spare one. So guys, comment down below if you want to see the diverter valve install. Also, I will be doing a brake install very shortly. These need replacing. Get back in the car. Unfortunately, I don't have a before and after with the standard. Well, the one that was working wasn't standard anyway. But I'll show you at night time the 130% globes. Alright, so back in the car. Visual beeping. And there we go. It's gone away. So we are all done. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Any questions, put them down below in the comment section, and also comment if you want to see the diverter valve and the brake install. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Bye. I need to fix that condensation. Alrighty guys, we're going to unlock the car. The headlights will come on. No, it's not too bad. Here's new ones.